In this video, you'll learn how to transfer USDT from OKX to MEXC. This process involves obtaining a deposit address from MEXC and then completing a withdrawal from OKX. By following these steps, you will successfully move your USDT between these two platforms. Begin by opening the MEXC app or website. Once loaded, locate the wallet option, which is typically found in the main menu. Tap on Wallet and then select Deposit from the available options. At this point, you will see a list of cryptocurrencies. Choose USDT from this list to proceed. After selecting USDT, you will be prompted to select a network for the deposit. It is crucial to pick only one network. For the most economical transfer, consider using ERC20, which operates on the Tron network. Alternatively, ERC20 is available, but tends to be more expensive. BP20, Associated Binance Smart Chain, is also a cost-effective option. Once you have made your selection, tap Copy Address to save the deposit address to your clipboard. Make sure to remember the network you selected, as you will need to use the same network when transferring from OKX. Next, open the OKX platform. Navigate to the Assets section, which is where you can manage your cryptocurrencies. Once in the Assets area, look for the Withdraw option and tap on it to begin the withdrawal process. Now, select USDT as the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. It is essential to choose the same network you selected on MEXC. For example, if you chose ERC20 on MEXC, make sure to select ERC20 on OKX as well. After confirming the network, paste the MEXC deposit address that you copied earlier into the designated field. Next, enter the amount of USDT you wish to transfer. To finalize the withdrawal, tap on the Withdraw button. At this stage, you will need to complete a security confirmation. Check your email for a verification code and enter it into the required field. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will also need to provide that code. Once all confirmations are complete, the withdrawal process will begin. The transfer time may vary depending on the network chosen, with ERC20 and BP20 transfers taking approximately 1 to 5 minutes, while ERC20 transfers may take between 5 to 15 minutes. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.